Our video today is going to feature Woodworkers Hardware, their bundle for half-inch overlay hinges on a face frame cabinet. So this is the application here, like you see. And it will include the Blum 110-degree screw-on hinge with soft close, face frame mounting plates, and all the screws that you need to attach the door, the hinge to the door, and the mounting plates to the cabinet. Also, you'll have available to you the technical drawing that you see right here to make it easy for you to do the job. And it's also explained in this video how to use this drawing. So let's get on with the video then to see how to make use of Woodworkers Hardware's bundle for half-inch overlay on a face frame cabinet. Included in this bundle are two Blum 110-degree soft close hinges. They are the screw-on variety, and they come with four 6 by 5/8 inch flathead screws. In addition to that, there's two face frame mounting plates, 3mm build-up on the mounting plate, and it also includes screws which are four of the 6 by 3/4 inch flathead screws. This drawing has important information related to your hinge bundle. For example, on the drawing on the right-hand side, you see there where it says hinge cup hole. That tells you how deep to drill the hole in your door. And in this case, you're going to be 13 millimeters or 1/2 of an inch deep. Then in the center of the drawing, you'll see where it says center point 22.5 millimeters or 7/8 of an inch. That indicates how far back from the edge of your door you would put your drill bit. For example, if you're using a drill press, put the center point of your drill bit, and then if you drill at 7/8 of an inch from the edge of the door, then you will have the proper boring distance, which will be 5 millimeters or 3/16 of an inch. Now, if you have other types of equipment to drill, you probably would be measuring the boring distance, which is 5 millimeters or 3/16 of an inch. So there's a lot of information here related to exactly how deep to drill the holes and where to drill the holes and locate the holes on your door. In this drawing, we're looking at a perspective of the hinge and mounting plate, maybe a top view or a bottom view, whichever, anyway. Right in the middle of the drawing is the blue mounting plate. It attaches to the face frame. So that's the mounting plate, and then your hinge arm connects to that mounting plate. You'll also notice that the hinge cup marked in there demonstrates that the hinge cup hole needs to be 13 millimeters deep. So there's a lot of useful information here in this drawing. Demonstrates that this bundle produces a 1/2 inch overlay or 13 millimeters, and that the boring distance from the edge of the door to the edge of the hole is 5 millimeters. Or if you're using center point for the hinge cup hole, then you'll be at 7/8 of an inch. So that's this drawing. This chart helps you to determine how many hinge bundles you need to order for your particular application. For example, if you look at the door there, the second one from the left, it shows 15 to 30 pounds. So if your door weighs that much, you will want to have 3 hinges on that door. And if you go to the next one, 30 to 45 pounds, you could use 4 hinges on one door. That would mean 2 bundles of hinges just for that one door. So this helps you to figure it out. It also gives you can make your determination based on the size of the door. So there's the application for that chart. I hope you found this video useful, or helpful, I should say, when you're working on your project using Woodworkers Hardware hinge bundle for half-inch overlay on a face frame cabinet. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give us the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe. And if you'd like, you can leave a comment.